What is up, guys? This is your girl Jay, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can create a simple landing page for any affiliate link. um, I've noticed that a lot of people who join up under this Cash Machine or some other affiliate links that I offer, their links gets blocked on social media even after they shorten their link. So I'm going to provide you guys with a simple way to create a landing page on Wix. Alright, and I'm going to run you step by step through it. But basically, if you enjoy this content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more great content. It'll be much appreciated. Alright, guys, so let's jump right on into it. For this particular demo, I'm going to be using the $25 Cash Machine. You can use it for any affiliate link though. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new account. I'm going to use that email. Alright, so I'm going to sign up. I don't particularly use Wix because I use WordPress. So you can go ahead and go through this if you want to answer these few questions to help you out, but for the purposes of this, I'm going to skip this part of it, and with a few questions that will help you design it, but I'm going to create it with the Wix editor because I am going to be starting with a blank template. Okay. Alright, you want to go right over here to the left hand side menu. If you want to, you can choose any one of these templates. These are your categories over here, but I find that creating them from scratch works best for me, but it's totally up to you, whatever fits you. Okay, so I'm going to start with a blank template. So I click blank template, and now I want to hit start from scratch and edit. Basically, Wix is pretty much a drag and drop. It's pretty easy and simple to use. Alright, I don't want to watch this video, so alright, now basically these are your buttons over here where you can start adding things. Menu and pages. We're not going to be using a menu because this is just a one-page site. So you can choose your background, and let's see, we'll choose a color. We'll go with light blue, I guess. Alright. Now, we want to add like a heading. So I'm going to choose that. Drop it over here. And for quick purposes, for the purposes of this video, this is my WordPress site. So I'm going to use this and just basically copy and paste. But you can create your own headlines. Oh, there we go. I'm going to paste that there. And all you got to do is just edit it the way you want it to be. So we're going to pretty much do the same thing like I did with that, with with my WordPress website. So basically we're going to change the color here, and I'm also going to be changing the font. Alright, so we want everything in bold, and I don't particularly care for that font, so I'm going to go with Roberto Bold. Alright, then like I said, you can kind of fool around with this. You can arrange it how you want to. So that looks pretty good. So I think I'm going to go with that. Alright. On this one, I think I'm going to copy this one off the sales page if I can. And let's see. We want to add a photo. So you can go over here and whatever you want to add. If you want to add a video, a button, a box, you know, different things they have over here. We're gonna add an image. Let's see something here. Alright, well, we're going to start with, let's see, we'll add that in a minute. We're going to go down to the, let me do the underline here. It kind of makes it stand out when it's underlined. So we're going to underline that. Underline that. Makes it stand out a little bit. Now we want to add a little bit more text. And do this here. I want to take this little arrow right here and drag it down. And I'm going to paste that text in there. Oh, that's the wrong text. Didn't copy it, huh? Okay. We're going to copy that text first. Then paste the text in here. Alright, line it up the way you want it. Center it. Alright, double click to edit the text. We're going to bold print it. We're going to highlight this one. Alright. And we want to change the font a little bit on it. And center it. Okay. Alright, now next part of it is to add a video. So I'm going to hit add. Go down to video, and we want to add a You can add whatever video you want. You can upload it straight from your desktop, or you can add a YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or a Facebook video, whatever you choose to. For this example, we're using YouTube. Drag it down. Alright. It has a pre YouTube video on here. So what we want to do is hit change video. So I'll go over to my YouTube channel and get this Cash Machine video, get a shareable link. Go back over here and paste my YouTube link. Now it's asking you how does your video play. You can either turn this, when someone lands on this page, you can have it play automatically, or you can have them choose to play it or not. I'm going to plays when it loads up. Okay. You can have it play in a loop if you want, and you can have them show when the controls are shown. It's up to you, however you want to do it. Alright, so now we have our video. Alright, I'm going to change the font on here just a little bit to kind of even that out. Alright, because I want everything to be centered. Alright, let's see. I want to add another photo. I'm going to do it just a little bit different than what's on my page. So I'm going to add a photo, another image. Let me see if I can find it on my website. On my computer, rather. Let's see, images. I'm going to use this image here. Wait for it to upload. Why is it acting so slow right now? Not responding. But guys, one of the things that I really recommend, and I'll also do a video on this too, is guys, I mean, a lot of these free websites, they will, you know, they don't allow certain things, and you really don't have control over it. You know, I really suggest you guys, you know, invest in some hosting and a website of your own. That way it's branded towards you. But this Wix way is actually a very good way for you guys to start off. You know, it's completely free, unless you choose some options that are paid. And the only other thing that I suggest is to, you know, invest in a custom domain. Even if you don't invest in hosting and everything right now, invest in a custom domain name. You can get one from GoDaddy for 99 cents. All you have to do is Google 99-cent domains, and usually GoDaddy will show up. And then what you can do is forward your affiliate link. You know, a lot of times you may have to mask it, but you know, that's actually an easier way to you know, get your affiliate link out there. But also, you know, you basically branding you when you have your own affiliate. I mean, you have your own domain name. This is not responding. I don't know what's going on here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna pause the video and try to get this going again. Alright guys, I'm back. I had to redo everything because for some reason it just would not start back up. So anyway, I'm sort of back to where we were. I'm going to go ahead and change out this video again. That link. Change video. Paste my video URL there. Autoplay. And there we have the video again. Okay. Alright. I think we were at the next step here. I'm going to add a picture in here, but I'm going to first do the button. We want to add a button. So you want to go down to buttons. And you can choose whatever kind of button that you like, because all the buttons can be edited. So it's just up to you, whatever you like. We're going to do this one. Actually, you can drag it however you want. I want to move it to the footer. And put it right below the video. It says you can make it larger. Alright, you can change the text. So we're going to change the text to the same thing. Yes, show me more. Oops. Yes. Do all caps. Yes. Show me more. And right here is where you're going to add your link. So for now, we're just going to put in a temporary link. But you can link up wherever you want: email, web address, phone number, document, whatever you want. But we're using a web address, so we're just going to do that. But that is where your affiliate link is going to go. Alright, and you can, I don't want to do that. We can change the design on it. So that is our button there. You can change the design on it. We're going to go to customize though. We're going to change the background to a red. Alright. And then we want to change the text. We're going to leave the text color in white because it looks better. But we want to change the font size. And I want to bold it. There we go. Alright. So we have our button, and it will take us to where we want it to go. Alright, so now we want to add some more text. I'm just going to take this text here and copy it. Go back over to the Wix site and add text. Sometimes it does this, so we'll just move that button back. Alright, so we're gonna paste the text there, and again, all you got to do is just edit it the way you want it to be. I just want it centered. Try to get this centered. The lines will show up to where it's centered, and then I want to, just mess around with my text to see which one looks better. Alright, so that looks good to me right there. Alright, now down below, I just posted some proof here, but we're going to add additional text. You don't have to put proof there if you don't have any, but you can put whatever image that you want there. So I'm going to add this text here, this image here. I'm going to just scroll down and just add a couple more images so you guys can just see. I'm adding the images from my computer, so see what we got here. I'm just going to add just whatever. Okay, this one's not good, so I'm gonna have to delete that one. Get one more. As a matter of fact, I'll just do the images that I have here. This is one, two, three. We'll just do those 3 images. Wait for that to load up. Alright, awesome. They're up in the system. So I'm going to add this to the page. Forgot one other thing there. I'm going to go back and do that. But you can edit the size of that photo. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a bit more text. I think it needs a little more text here. And let's see. I'm going to say need more proof. The system works. And I'm going to edit the font on here and center it. And I think I'm going to change this text to red. And I'm going to bold it. Alright. I'll bring that back up. It's a proof photo, and we're going to drag another photo in here. Like I said, you can resize the photos. And I'm going to just do one more photo just for time purposes, just to show you how easy it is to create your own website to promote your affiliate link. Alright, now last thing we're going to do, we're going to add one more button. And one of the good things about this one is it saves the buttons that you've created. So we're going to move that down. And change the text again. Yes, show me more. Add your link to a web address. Google.com. Right. And basically, guys, this is your site. Alright, so what we're going to do is preview it. So when you share your Wix link, you're going to get this. Alright, so that is how you create a website with Wix. We want to save it. I'm going to call it Cash Machine. And this is what your Wix website will look like. This is the email that I use. Then you got wixsite.com, and then your extension Cash Machine, or whatever you name it. Or, you can pay for a custom domain. It's completely up to you. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it there. Alright. You want to save and continue, but for this is the free method. So for those of you that don't have your own custom domain, we're going to go with the wix.com domain name. You want to save and continue. Now it says you can either publish it or you can edit it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and publish it. So your site is published and is live online. So basically all you do is you take your link here, and that's the link that you're going to share. But I suggest that you shorten that link with like bit.ly or tinyurl, whatever link shortener you choose. Just go ahead and shorten that link, because this is like a one long ugly link. Alright, so that is how you create a Wix one-page site so that you can promote any affiliate link that you choose, guys. We're going to go here and view it. Alright, there it is again. Pretty simple, guys. Alright, so there you have it. I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, if you've got some valuable content out of here, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.